Welcome, dear children. Today, in this session, you are going to see three questions, question answers of three questions alone, right? So, first question, why did the king want to know answers to three questions? Answer is, the king wanted to know answers of his three questions because he wanted to be a successful ruler. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. Choose the correct answer. To fetch wise men, to find answer to the question, to look for the wise hermit, to announce a reward for those who could answer the question. The solution is to find answer to the questions. And the third one, it's complete the following sentence by adding appropriate parts, right? It's like fill in the blanks. So 5 questions are there. Answers alone I'll say here. Questions are given and the answers are given in a separate box, right? Solution is many wise men answered the king's question, but their answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. The second one is someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men to help the king act at the right time. The third one, someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable and follow it strictly. Fourth question is, the king requested the hermit to answer 3 questions. Fifth one, the king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound, but the bleeding would not stop. So now answer the following questions. Why was a king advised to go to the magicians? Totally 8 questions are there and some extra questions are also there. We'll see that. Why was a king advised to go to the magician? Some of the wise men thought that in order to decide right time for doing something, one must look into the future and only magicians were able to do that. So they advised the king to go to the magicians. And second question is, in answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? In answer to the second question, some people suggested to seek advice of counselors, the priest, or the doctors, or the soldiers. What suggestions were made in answer to the third question? For the third question, some people said science was the most important business, while there were others who believed it was fighting, and then there were those who believed religious worship should take the first place. Question number 4. Did the wise men win the reward? If not, why not? No, the wise men didn't win the reward because their answers were so different from each other and a king was not satisfied with their answers. Fifth question is, how did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? The king washed the wound and covered the wound of the man with his handkerchief and kept on dressing it until the bleeding stopped completely. The king also offered the wounded man water to drink. The hermit helped the king to bring the wounded man inside his hut and allow the man to spend his night in the hut. Who was a bearded man? Why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? The bearded man was an enemy of the king. He wanted to take revenge of his brother's death by killing the king and taking away all his property. The bearded man asked for the king's forgiveness because he wanted to kill the king, but the king has saved his life. He was grateful to the king now. Seventh question is, the king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? The king showed his forgiveness by promising the man that he will send his doctor and servants to look after him and also promised to return him all his property. So, eighth question and the last question. What were the hermit's answer to the three questions? Write each answer separately. Which answer do you like the most and why? Very important question. The most important time, the hermit said, is our present, because it is the only moment that we have the power to act. The most important person at the moment is we ourselves, because the future is unknown and we don't know whether we will meet anyone in the future or not. So we should listen to ourselves. The most important business is to be kind and good to others, because we have been sent in this world to serve this noble cause. I like the third answer here the most, because helping someone in need is like serving God. It makes us a good person and brings a sense of satisfaction and contentment. Working with language matches is given here. Match A and B. So we have to match. Answer alone I'll show you. Wounded, severely injured, awoke, got up from asleep, forgive, pardon, faithful, loyal, pity, feel sorry for, beds, small patches of ground for plants, return, give back. And the next is fill in the blanks. Right? He has dash to help me. Do you think he will remember his dash? So the answer is given here itself. He has promised to help me. Do you think he will remember his promise? And the next all we have to fill. The dash said that only fresh evidence would make him change his dash. The judge said that only fresh evidence would make him change his judgment. Right? Judge and judgment. So the answer alone I will show you. Judge and judgment. Difference, deferred. Answer, answer. Necessary, necessity. Wise, wisdom. Has decided, decision. Forgiveness and forgive. Next is speaking and writing. Imagine you are the king. Narrate the incident of your meeting with the hermit. Begin like this. How you have to begin? The wise men answered my questions, but I was not satisfied with their answer. One day, I decided to go and meet the hermit. After that, you have to continue, right? So the answer will be, this is my suggestion, and if you want, you can change it. I knew the hermit used to help only ordinary men. So I left behind my servants and bodyguards. I went to meet him wearing simple clothes. The hermit was an old man and used to live in a hut amidst the woods. He was digging the ground in front of his hut when I arrived there. He greeted me and continued his work. I informed him the purpose of my visit, but still he continued digging in the ground. He looked tired, so I offered my help. He agreed, so I took the spade from him and started digging the ground. After digging for many hours, I again repeated my question, but the hermit did not answer. Evening was approaching, and now I thought of returning. Suddenly, the hermit showed me a bandit man who was running towards us. Right? Next, question 2. Imagine you are the hermit. Before, you are the king. Now, you are the hermit. Write briefly the incident of your meeting the king. Begin like this. One day, I was digging in my garden. A man in ordinary clothes came to see me. I knew it was a king, right? So you have to continue with this. But still pretended to be unaware of his identity. He told me that he has come to me to get answers for his three questions. I greeted him and continued digging the ground. I was tired digging the ground. The king noticed this and answered himself. I agreed and gave my spade to him. After digging two beds in the ground, the king repeated his question. I ignored him again and rather asked him if he was tired and would like me to dig the ground. But he refused to do so and continued the task. Evening was approaching, and it seemed that he was ready to leave. At that very moment, we saw a man running towards us. Yes, children, that's all. Extra questions, if you want, you can note it down. Why did the king send two messengers throughout his kingdom? The king sent his messengers to look for wise people. How did the king promise to reward the person who would answer his questions correctly? The king promised to reward the person with a huge sum of money. Whose advice did the king finally think of seeking? The hermit's advice, who lived in a distant jungle. Who did the king, who did go along with the king to meet the hermit? No one went along with the king. During which time of the day would the hermit leave the forest and go out? The hermit never used to go out of the forest. Why did the bearded man press his stomach with his hand? The bearded man pressed his stomach because he was wounded and wanted to stop blood flowing out from his wound. The bearded man pressed his stomach because he was wounded and wanted to stop blood flowing out from his wound. So, short answers. Why was the king advised to listen to his soldier? Some wise men thought that it were soldiers who used to fight wars for the king and help him extend his territory and power. So, according to them, they thought soldiers were the most important people whom the king should follow. Why did the king refuse to give reward to anyone? The king was not satisfied with the answers of the wise men. They all had given different answers to the same question, because of which he was unable to come to a conclusion. So he refused giving the reward to anyone. Why did the king change his clothes and left behind his bodyguards and horse before meeting the hermit? The king was aware that the hermit would meet only simple people, so he dressed up like an ordinary man, left behind his horse and bodyguards, and went to meet the hermit in his hut in the woods all alone. Describe the hermit in one or two sentences. The hermit was a weak old man and used to live amidst the woods, which he would never leave. He was digging the ground in front of his hut for sowing seeds when the king arrived, and the tedious task had made him tired. Here comes someone running. Who has been running in this sentence? The bearded man is being referred to in these lines. He had planned to attack the king, but was instead attacked by the king's bodyguard, as they had recognized him. He had received a wound in his stomach. He was rushing towards the hermit's hut for help. Okay, children, now you have long answer also, too long answer. But time is up, so I'm stopping with this. If you want, you can have a screenshot and write it. Okay, learn it. 3, 4, value-based question. 2. That's all, dear. Thank you so much.